The importing tool just got a wild new superpower. Check this out. So here I am mapping values of a spreadsheet I imported. Look, I've got some errors here for email and for date picker. And look, if we go to edit column values, we can now replace these without going back to your spreadsheet. We can just change this to eric@hubspot.com and change this one to, something else, and this one to something else. You can do the editing right here. And similarly, here's a date picker property. Let's say, Thursday, well, that's that day. And today, well, that's today. And tomorrow, well, that's tomorrow. And these are all fixed now, right? And for ones that don't have errors, if you want to come in and do find replace for any value appearing in this column, including empty values, you could just come in and replace them all. This is amazing. We've had the ability to remap values for enumeration properties for a little while, but now for any property you're importing, you can do find and replace in the importer without having to go back and edit your spreadsheet. This is now in beta. Opt yourself in, check it out, let me know what you think, let me know if you have any questions.